If you work in tech sales and you're tired of people hanging up on you during your cold calls, in this video, I want to share with you a cold call opener that works 80% of the time. Now, I want to share with you two examples of this through audio clips of me making a cold call. And in between that, I will share with you a breakdown exactly the psychology of why it works so well. Okay, now let's first listen to the first clip.
Dan Wall.
Hello, Daniel?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, Daniel. Daniel, I'm actually calling you from Lupio. You don't know me because we haven't spoken before, but may I just quickly tell you the reason for my call? And if it's not important to you, then we can just end the conversation.
Okay, that sounds like a good deal. What do you do?
So just to kind of break it down, here is the opener. Hello, first name. Hi, first name. I'm calling from company name. You don't know me because we haven't spoken before. May I quickly tell you the reason for my call? And if it's not important to you, then we can just end the conversation. So why does it work so well? So this has been proven. I've made thousands of cold calls working as a BDR in tech sales, and this has been the best opener I've ever used in my career working in tech sales for 7 years. I'll break down why. The first reason is number one is the opener. The first word I say is hello, first name. Hello, Jim. See, it seems very natural, like I'm calling a friend. It's like you call your friend, right? Hey, Mike. Hey, Susan. Hey, Tim. So it gets the prospect to respond with their voice, and it's actually a micro commitment. Yeah, this is Jim. Yeah, this is Susan. And once they speak, hangups drop dramatically. The second thing is, then I say, hi, Mike. I'm calling from Google. I'm calling from Microsoft. I'm calling from Clio. See, this is powerful because it's honest and upfront. There's no gimmicks. There's no suspense. Right away, they know the company name. It also builds instant trust in the first 3 seconds, because the first thing that people call is, who is this and why are you calling me? Who is this? Why are you calling me? And you get that there. So it removes the who is this barrier that creates hangups right away. The most cold callers, like really cold caller, bully room cold callers, will just dive right in to their pitch and really go into it and not have these micro little points to make sure the person understands what's going on, who the person's calling. Hey, real quick before you go back to the video, if you're a BDR or SDR working in tech sales, you want to level up your sales career. You want to be able to go from a BDR to an AE, making 6 figures, but you don't know how. That's okay. In the link below is a video that I created around my mindset first selling framework system. And it allows you to know exactly how to level up through your mindset and your habits that allows you to be able to earn that next level of success in your career. If that interests you, click the link below and watch the free training. Now let's go back to the video. Second is something that I like. It's a little smile or chuckle that I add in. It's like, listen, and you don't know me because we haven't spoken before. That tone, it creates more than just words. It's a light energy that lowers the guard and makes you sound human. And it protects, and the prospect mirrors that tone. So if you're relaxed, then they're relaxed, right? Number 4, it's like, you don't know me because we haven't spoken before. See, this calls out the awkward truth and disarms resistance. It's like, hey, listen, you don't know me because we haven't spoken before. And it removes the tension because you're not pretending it's a warm call. You're subtly admitting, hey, this is a cold call. You're not saying it, but you're saying, hey, this is a cold call. Or a call, you don't know me. This is interruption, basically. But it makes you relatable. And it's refreshingly honest, because reality is most people that cold calls wouldn't say something like that. They would try to be deceptive and pretending, hey, how's it going? Hey, how we doing? And try to pretend like that fake rapport, which can work if that's your personality. Not for me personally. That's why I like the script so well. Let's open it. Then we get into the meat of it. May I quickly tell you the reason for my call? If it's not relevant or important to you, we can just end the conversation. Now I'm going to just change this for a second, because it should not be a question. I like, if it's not important. Relevance is kind of I like simple words. Changing on the fly. There we go. Okay, there we go. May I quickly tell you the reason for my call? If it's not important to you, then we can just end the conversation. This is a powerful line because it earns permission to continue, permission-based opener. And it gives the prospect control so they don't feel trapped. It also gives the prospect, it lowers the pressure. It makes them feel open to hearing you out. And like I said, this leads to 80% yeses. Go ahead. It's amazing. You might think, that, how could this work? And one thing people kind of say that, hey, how come you never say your name? Honestly, I've been doing this. I'm making cold calls, hundreds of cold calls. I never say my name, and people are so welcoming and saying, yeah, sure, let's continue. So again, now let's listen to the second clip of this opener.
Hi, this is Erin.
Hello, Aaron.
Yes.
Good morning, Aaron. I'm actually calling from Lupio. You don't know me because we haven't spoken before. May I tell you quickly the reason for my call? If it's not important to you, we can just end the conversation.
Oh, sure.
Thank Aaron. And the reason for my call is...
So you have it. Let's recap. The key triggers behind this opener is this, right? It's about control. The prospect feels safe because they can opt out at any time. Next is permission based. You're asking to continue instead of pushing. It's also transparent. You're being honest. Hey, listen, you don't know me because we haven't spoken before. That's refreshing, right? And lastly, there's a human approach to it. There's tone, it's warm, it's friendly, it's honest. It kind of eliminates the salesy cold caller voice. So hope this video blesses you. If you liked it, then hit the button below, like and subscribe to this video. And I make videos around tech sales and sales success twice a week. So follow and enjoy.